Hope everyone's doing well. My name is EQ and welcome to another episode of Stockaholics. So this video is going to be an add-on to the last two videos that I released. One of them was on Sunday, one of them is going to be released on Monday. Today is Sunday, this one is going to be released on Tuesday. So we'll see how everything looks when the video actually comes out. Remember, if you guys want to watch these videos ahead of time before they get published on YouTube, join our Discord group. I'm going to put the link in the bottom. We are in our $10 group right now a month. Our $5 a month group sold out, and after this $10 group a month sells out, then it's going to be at $15 a month. Once that sells out, then it's $20 a month, so on and so forth. I would hope you guys would be making more than $10 or $20 in that month, so it's already paying itself off. Remember to invest in yourself and take advantage of the cheap resources. So yeah, if you were in our group, you catch this 2 days early, but let's jump into it. Dego currently, so we're going to start with Dego. This one I've been talking about for a little while. It's been in a consolidation for a long time, way too long. But you can see we're finally getting a trend line break. We had one that almost broke before, but you can see it came right back down, so it was a fake out. And as we got further, price started to ride this trend line, and then it finally broke over. Now we're getting a support hold on the top side of this trend line, which can potentially trigger this incoming move, so we can go all the way back to test our all-time high, which is at $34. Currently we're at $11, so that's a 3 times move just to test all-time high. If this wants to go to TP3, you're looking at $50. If this was to go up to TP3, you're looking at almost $60, so this can be more than a 5 times move if it goes all the way up and fulfills retracement and all of that kind of stuff. So there's definitely a lot of upside on Dego. Anyone that's been in the NFTs, you know that the market has been quiet for a while now. They are ready to explode. The market itself has been pretty choppy the last couple days. We've been talking about a lot in our Discord group to make sure that everyone stays on top of that. It's been real rough seas, but we're getting through it, and there's going to be a brighter side to all of this, and potentially the biggest move that we've seen so far across the board. If I go to the longer days, if I go to a longer time frame on Dego, you can see that all of these are probably going to be in the oversold area or close to oversold because it's been going down for so long. We've already passed the 7860, went out of retracement into a correction, basically hit the 100% mark of the move of where it started, and now we're trying to climb back up. So technically speaking, it's in a better buying position than most of us thought it was going to get to. Luckily we had the EMA is holding tight, but all in all, Dego is on the list to make massive moves. Remember that this can make a 5 times move if it really wanted to. And that's within this next previous impulse move. The next one we're going to go over is Veracity, or VRA. This is the one that uses the proof of view. So anytime you're on YouTube or anything like that, it's a way that they can confirm that you are actually watching the ads. And when you watch the ads, at the end of them, you'll be able to click a little trophy and claim a reward that's connected to your wallet. So you're getting paid to watch ads, which is pretty cool. And in return, the advertisers are getting a lot more ROI on their investments, knowing that people are watching and they're not spending money on bots and all that. So VRA has a patent on that, and they just released a second patent. They're one of the few blockchains that have patents in their name already. So we're definitely going to keep an eye on this one just because of real world use cases. That's pretty much what we try to stick to here, are things that can hold value and maintain value through the course of time. It's all fun and games to make money on the shitcoins, but it's even better to have these long terms and not lose all that money potentially when things really hit the fan. So Veracity right now, you can see, is in the bottom of a consolidation channel, looking to make a nice little push up. Price is currently holding near and around the 7860 for Veracity in terms of a fib retracement. This was an area that we highlighted of interest for a potential consolidation area, which it was able to break out of and hold support. Now you can see this trend line coming through, kind of similar to what we saw with Dego. We're waiting for Veracity to get enough space to break over this trend line and hopefully find support on the 6180 fib before it continues to make its move up to the all-time highs. Bring this down just to make it even more accurate. Now you can see it's a little bit under, so we're pretty close to a 2 times move just to test the previous all-time high from where price is sitting. Now if this wanted to push up all the way into take profit 3, we're looking at a potential of 89, almost 90 cents for Veracity. So that's a nice little 3 times move all the way to the top if you're patient and the fib retracement is fulfilled and completed. all the way to TP3. There's a lot of things that have to go right and all the conditions for that to happen, but it's very possible in this market. It happens all the time. A lot of coins even pass this TP3, like Cardano is already past it right now in its current move. You can see the RSI is waiting to break this 50 resistance, and the still RSI has plenty of room to allow it to break, and you're getting more of a flat line on the volume oscillator, so this is looking to break up. Even going into the longer term charts, you can see that we have plenty of room on all of these oscillators to continue growing. And on the daily, kind of looking the same way in terms of the indicators. The STO is turning back up, which is good. Going into the weekly chart, this also looks very good. So all in all, we're looking for a bullish move for Veracity on a long-term scale. If you wanted to wait those weeks, you could potentially wait for price to get over 10 cents. But keep in mind, this is a weekly chart, so this could take months to fulfill. And the last one we're going to go over is Orion. You can see that we had a massive move with Orion. We're going to start our SR flip at the top of this bull, and that's going to be the start of our fib going to the top. You can see price basically made it all the way down to the 78.60, but it was held as support a little bit over the 200 EMA. The 100 EMA was able to help that out as it recovered and tried to hold on the 6180 fib, but was not able to and broke back down. We're looking to get a support hold somewhere within this region of almost $12 to $10. If we can get that support and start pushing up, Orion can finally start making a move up again. It's been almost 2 months since it's really done anything, just going downhill. People are starting to forget about it. When people forget are when these coins start taking off. And those are the ones that we're trying to look for before they explode. You can see the RSI has yet to break the 50 in a while, so that resistance is a major one that needs to get broken. The STO RSI is in the oversold area and has tons of room to grow. And the volume oscillator is in bearish right now, and it's been bearish for a little while, looking to break onto the bullish side. I can see also that didn't get marked on this chart on Orion is this trend line from here to here. Same kind of concept with the other two. Waiting for this trend line to break and come across before price starts to break upwards and test the all-time high. Currently we're at $11. The all-time high is $30, so it's a little bit shy of a 3 times move just to test all-time high. And based on this previous move, if this wanted to repeat something similar, let's reset this fib real quick. So if move was to retrace, fulfill, and do the entire move up to TP3, you're looking at a price up to $56, which is a little under, well, pretty close to a 5 times move from where price is currently sitting. So all 3 of these have tons of potential. These are my altcoins that I'm choosing for a short term. They've been relatively quiet the last couple months while everything else is exploding. So I think they're about ready to come back on the scene and make a lot of noise. And don't forget to join our Discord group and get that early access to the videos and everything like that. You don't want to be catching these videos 2 days after and missing a nice boom or missing a better buying opportunity. If you want to give it a shot, we do have the public Discord. That's for $1, less than some of the apps you have on your phone. And you can have a little trial run in our Discord. And that about wraps up this video. Hope everyone has an amazing day.